Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine and well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split a date into day, month, and year. Let's say, for example, we have a data set of our employees and you have been asked to split their hire date into day, month, and year. So, let me show you how you can do this very easily and quickly. So, this is our data set. We have around 1000 employees for whom we need to separate their hire date into day, month, and year. So let's start with splitting the day. Use this formula to get the day. Equal sign, text. The first parameter is the value. This is the value or the date which you want to split. So this one is this D2. Now the format text, the format in which you want to split this hire date. Since we want to get the day, so we'll write in inverted commas DD. Close it, and here you'll get the day, Friday. Let's suppose you don't want to get the name of the day, instead the value of the day, meaning you want to get the exact date, which is 29th in this case. So you will change the format to D. Then you will get the day. Now let's move on to get the month. You will use the same formula, text, the same value which is the hire date, and in format you will write MMMM. This is in case you want to get the full name of the month. Let's say you want to get the short name for the month, you will just write 3 M's, MMM. And in case you want to get the month number, just type 2 M's. See, April. Now let's get the year. Use the same formula. Text, value is our hire date, and the format text will be YYYY. This is in case you want to get the full form of the year, meaning 2016 and not 16. If you want to get just the 2 digits for the year, just type 2 Y's here. Now what we can do is that we can select these 3 and just double click here to fill the rest of the columns. Now we have successfully splitted our hire date for all of our employees into day, month, and year. So you see how easy it is to split the date into day, month, and year as per your needs. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to address them. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until the next video, take care. Assalamu alaikum.